We are the only four-year veterinary technician program on the West Coast, and a veterinary technician is actually just a veterinary nurse. They do just a lot of the nursing care as well as the anesthesiology. They just do a lot in a veterinary hospital, and we call them the backbone of the veterinary industry.
We actually get to work with the animals much more than the veterinarian does. We perform many of the treatments and we get a lot of patient interaction.
There are a lot of two-year programs out there where you get an associate's degree. Ours is a four-year program, so our students are quite self-selected. They choose to go to a four-year university, so they not only get the technical skills and the knowledge, they also get the experience of a four-year college.
Also qualifies you to take the national and state exams to become a licensed veterinary technician. We're actually the only four-year RVT program in California.
The program really prepares them for the real world and the real hospital setting. They know all the drugs that I ask them. They know how to do all the technical work, IV catheters, blood draws.
A lot of hands-on experience. Since Cal Poly does have a big variety of different types of animals here. They have horses. They're very well known for the Arabian Horse Center.
Working with research animals, which is rats, mice, rabbits, which is very helpful, especially when you're looking out for a job.
Students get to suture, they get to extract teeth. The most important thing they do is actually do anesthesia, which is probably the most important job that a veterinary technician has to do.
I'm in charge of the externship program at my hospital, and in the past when I first started working there, we were having externs from different colleges come over, and I never hired any of the externs because I didn't feel like they were qualified to work at a specialty hospital. And then the Cal Poly students started coming in, and I've hired probably 5 or 6 of them straight out of their externship.
Our director, Dr. Sohn, is amazing. She encourages you and she pushes you, and she is really dedicated to her students along with all of our other professors here.
They're great. They're very interested in having you learn, of course. They're very open to their office hours. They're there to explain to you and take the time to really have you understand the material.
And the students really step up. In the very beginning, it is very nerve-wracking for a lot of students to do some of these procedures.
It can be intimidating, especially for some of us city kids. But as they get more and more time spent with them, they get more comfortable, they develop more confidence.
It not only benefits the patients themselves, but it also benefits the students by allowing them to practice on real animals, restraint and things like that.
And I really see that progression from being really scared and very nervous to become really skilled and very assertive at the end.